Dang, I didn't know there was one. I didn't even know this place existed.
Montgomery Square, yeah.
Yep.
It's in good condition too. I'll hold the door.
Oh, this is so cool.
No lights on the buttons. We're in the indicator. It's got the old,
Let's go all the way down and all the way up.
Yeah.
So we can hear the motor in full.
Go into good.
Wait, this is actually really cool.
Don't those usually light up?
The indicator?
The buttons.
Yeah.
And the indicator light up.
Obviously, yeah. Well, the B lights up.
Oh, nice. It's interesting how similar the Montgomery indicator is to the Otis.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. What the heck? The door just slammed open.
Oh,
that's
look
cool.
at that. On the door.
Oh, yeah. Let's get back in.
The door shakes the whole elevator car. It's pretty cool though. This is a nice one.
I would have never known this was in here.
For a vintage, this one's got a lot of interesting little traits to it.
Uh-huh.
It's not just old. Jesus. Yeah,
That is actually really cool.